In this video, I will show you how to see RAP on Roblox. So RAP stands for Recent Average Price, and in order to do this, as you can see we're here on roblox.com, what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab and come across to google.com. Now into the Google search box, you want to go ahead and search for something called Rogold and then press enter, and all you need to do is click onto the top result. So Rogold is an extension that allows you to see the RAP. What you want to do is come across this page and press the blue Add to Chrome button. Then go ahead and click Add Extension on the pop-up window. Once that's done, you're going to get a message saying Rogold has been added to Chrome. So once that's done, you can come back to Roblox and you just want to go ahead and refresh the page if you're currently logged in. So once you've done that, what's going to happen, the page is going to look slightly different, but as you can see, it's now going to display your RAP. So you can see for myself, I've currently got 0 RAP, and we can also check other friends as well. So different friends RAP. So you want to come across to your friends and click onto any of the profiles. And by clicking onto the profile, it's also going to display the RAP for different friends, as you can see here. So we can click onto any of these. Sometimes it says unknown, and this is normally due to the person's settings. However, for most of them, you will be able to go ahead and see the RAP for different people. So as you can see, for example, this person has 0 RAP. This person is saying unknown due to their settings, but that's basically how to see RAP on Roblox. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.